How's it going, guys? Mike with Quick Cycles here. Just thought I would give you a little bit of insight about what we've been doing lately at the shop. We've got a Suzuki Hayabusa turbo motor that we're building for one of our racers. Lots of boost, lots of horsepower, and I'm just about finished with it. But before I wrap it up, I've got to do the valve lash and I've got to degree the cams on it. So let's check that out. All right, so you can see my notepad where I scribble all my notes as to what the valve lash was and what it's going to be. Then you can see all my different shims that I have. I have a pretty wide range of shim sizes available to me. I've got all of my feeler gauges so that I can check them. Currently, I am in the middle of doing the intake cam. Next, I'll move on to the exhaust cam. Once I get all the valve lash set, then we'll go ahead and degree the cams. So this particular bike was running on VP C16. Currently the owner is switching the bike from the C16 over to the M1 Methanol. So we did change the configuration of the motor up just a little bit to take advantage of things that we can with the alcohol over the gas. The motor had about 65 passes on it, so we tear it apart, inspect everything, make sure everything's wearing well, and everything looked great. Not a single problem, but we put new rings, bearings, seals, stuff like that into it, and we'll put it back together. We'll change those couple things for the change in the fuel, and we'll go racing again. We do that probably every 50, 70 passes on bikes like this, simply because we want to make sure that we're not going to the track with a time bomb, that we don't get there, we go second pass and we blow it up. It can still happen, but less likely if you do your maintenance while you're at the shop. So we go through them, make sure everything's good, refresh them. That way we don't have problems while we're at the track. So we build a lot of turbo bikes here. I've actually got another Turbo 1000 that I'm in the process of, and I got a couple Turbo Hayabusa motors that we're going to be doing here as well. Then I'm going to get started on my bike, which we're updating it. I used to race it like 10 years ago. It's been pushed over in the corner. Now I'm going to start putting it back together as well. So go ahead and follow us if you like this type of stuff, and you'll get to see lots of cool turbo bikes, and we'll even get some on the dyno, and we'll show you guys what that looks like as well.